everybody. Off on a lekker camping weekend. A lot of our buddies, just saw Luigi. And yeah, excited for a great trip. Cut.
My wife and I, as a family, have never been massive campers. We've always gone away and loved staying in chalets and stuff, but we've decided since moving to the Western Cape that it's time to start camping. Little do we realize the amount of stuff you actually need to go camping for a weekend with the family. So we're on our way to 22 Waterfalls, a camping area just out of Porterville in the Western Cape. Really beautiful place apparently, many waterfalls.
I'm Luigi. How are you doing?
All right, and you?
Nice to
Hello, Joey.
Hi.
Mark.
I'm Mark.
Good to meet you.
Our first time here.
Okay.
Your t-shirt says Joey.
Not much of a 4x4 place, but it's always fun riding through a little stream. But they have quite a few campsites at 24 Waterfalls. They are all really pretty. They're along this beautiful forest lined little stream, and yeah, very pretty little place.
And
They all catch here. There's a claw right here. I mean,
some dead crabs.
you could catch one.
This looks like a nice little spot for a quick swim. What do you say?
Camera rolling.
Ooh, that is fresh.
So we arrived at Porterville and it was time for a quick little swim in the river as you've seen, and then up to the dam for a deeper dip.
Is it a big swimming pool? It is a big swimming pool. Wow. You can hear the waterfall, eh? You having fun? How epic is this little camping setup?
What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be climbing mountains. Oh, my arm.
Where is it going?
Don't open your eyes on this water.
No, not this one. This one is too dirty though.
No.
It used was clean, it's still crew feed in it.
No, like that, no. You're the one who jumped in first.
So Saturday was the day for our epic hike up to go and see these 22 waterfalls, and as you can see it was the most amazing hike. Very steep climbs, awesome wood ladders, and the most incredible waterfall.
It's not beautiful. Wow, that is steep.
Hi, guys.
No worries. Sure. That's quite a... What a beautiful climb.
So one awesome thing about my kids, they always want to do the most adventurous route possible.
Beautiful. Hey, sexy wife. How's it going there? Good. Okay. Go climb. Yeah, do some rock climbing now. Show us how it's done, big guy. Slowly and carefully. This is freaking incredible, man. Hey?
Yeah.
How awesome is this? Okay, go. Look at these baboons. Not for sure. Oh wow.
Oh, that one.
Stay crazy. The perfect pool. That's alright. Sure.
So this hike takes you up this most incredible gorge. The full hike takes about 3 hours to get to the top. Depends on how often you stop to swim, and I counted way more than 22 waterfalls, but I suppose it's a personal preference on what you would call a waterfall.
Wow. Hey, beautiful. Hello, guys.
I know we're hungry, but we have to get there.
Don't be upset with me. Wow. Sure. Yo, that's steep. Okay, go crazy. Guys, we're along a hike, 22 waterfalls. I think we must be in like 19 or 20 or something. Lots of these steep climbs. Beautiful though. Such a stunning, stunning route.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to be climbing a mountain.
So after some lunch, it was time to turn around and come back down, which took us a lot longer to get down as we stopped in and swam in a lot of the waterfalls and cruised our canyon quite a lot of the way down as well.
Oh, it's nice. Damn it. It's deep. It's deep. There we go. There you go, Cruzy. Get this. Go, Gobs. Hey, sexy wife! Nice. There you go. This is beautiful. Yeah. This is waterfall number 2, doing them in reverse. There's my beautiful daughter, my beautiful wife. What you eating there, wifey? Nachos with? Nachos with what?
Chakalaka. And the best medium
Oh,
fat cream cheese plank. Don't pick and pack.
amazing. Show us your grappa. Oh!
So on the way back to Cape Town, we left 22 Waterfalls, found a great little dirt road, and stopped at Ribe Castile for like a little brunch.
Yeah.
What have you got there, young lady? What is that? And how's it taste? What have you got there, young man? And how's it taste? What does it taste like?
It tastes like Oreo.
Man, what an epic weekend of camping, hiking. Waterfalls were just incredible. I can highly recommend anybody who enjoys waterfalls, swimming, nature in general, to pop past 22 waterfalls. Till next time, keep our guys.